So we got the new van, and we've robbed a few parts out of the old van, the ceiling panels, so that will make it a hell of a lot easier to fit them in the new ones. We've got to fit all the wiring. We can use the same wiring from the burned out van, because that wasn't harmed in the fire. So it's just a case of disconnecting that, splicing into the main wiring loom for the courtesy switch so it works with the back door when you open it. Run the wiring, fit the panel in, and Connor will be taking off the tracking in the sides that's not going to be used anymore. All this is going to be carpeted inside and flooring down. We removed the rear door panels from the other van, the burned out van. Although they did smell a little bit, I think a little bit of Febreze, should have them like brand new. So it was an easy switch, just undo the screws, take off the panels, refit them on the new van, just a couple of holes to be drilled, screws to be put in, dead easy.
Dun, 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 dun.
Mission to get that from there into there. Switching this ramp across is no easy mission. It's the best part of 200 kilos. It's not really a one-man job, but I didn't have anybody else to assist me. Everybody's at work, or so yeah, roll your sleeves up and get it done yourself.
I'm trying to get a bracket on that secures the ramp, stops them rocking around. I can't get the bolts in. The bolts are what holds the back bumper on. This here, and the toolbar if it's one's fitted. So they're quite hefty bolts, and that holds the ramp in place with that bracket that I've had made. Took that off the old van, but now I can't get the top bolt in up there. So I need to jack this like that. Piece of wood underneath it, jack it up, right. I'm not bothered if it bends the floor because the top bolts will bend it back down again. this has got two purposes, because if I get this in position, then that's the exact places that all these holes need to be drilled through the floor to fit the ramp. Solid. Yeah, big knuckle bar on them, tighten them right up. So drill straight through floor, all being well. It'll be in the same position as it was in the last van, which was perfect.
I couldn't help noticing that the van came with a spare wheel that got a virtually brand new tyre on it. In fact, it was brand new, it's still got a label on it. So happy days.
Right, the reason why this is so strong now is because that is bolted to another plate on top, I'll show you in a minute, and then that's bolted to the chassis. So it's bolted to this plate, so that sandwiches it to the floor into those holes there. Oh, almost perfect. And just these to drill from top.
What a numpty.
Still got fucking label on it. Brand new. Still got a sticker on it.
Chaos.
So that's the ramp fitted. Lighting in, ceiling in. We've got the board in here to finish. We've got the flooring to start. Now flooring is having parallel tracking this way. That will be able to strap the bikes down and secure them. The chocks are going to be bolted into the front, up near the seat there. Then there's going to be some more stud tracking in the floor just here, and that's for the rear chocks. They have a little peg underneath them that slots into the floor to secure them in place so the bike can't move forward and backward. And then some more stud tracking here parallel. And then after that, it's just a case of 4-way stretch carpet and the non-slip flooring, and this will look like a brand new van inside. So as of taking this video, I've got 145 subscribers to the channel, which is I'm really shocked about how well it's doing, and I'm getting feedback from customers. Each customer I go to is saying, oh, I've seen what's happened with your van, or I'm really sorry to hear about it. It's really positive. A few customers have booked just on the strength of the YouTube channel, which is absolutely awesome. For the price it costs us for advertising, just to get free advertising just through making videos like this, it's absolute gold for us. The tough times, really tough times, advertising is really expensive, fuel's really expensive. If we can save any cash we can in advertising, we want to do it. Please share the videos and please subscribe to the channel. If you're watching now, I think it's about here, a little button on your mobile phone, or just here on your PC. It might not be, but just find the subscribe button and just click subscribe. You've got no idea how much it helps us. Thanks a lot, guys.